Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rachel Carr. I'm a plant-based chef, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vegan meltable cheese. Specifically, we're going to be doing kind of a cheddar style cheese. Today's cheese is made with a base of cashews, and we're going to be using agar, which is a type of seaweed, to set it up. And then after we make the cheese, we're going to be slicing it and making a grilled cheese sandwich with it. Thanks for joining me, and let's get started.
Next, we need to dissolve our agar flakes into a little bit of hot water. It's really important to whisk this very well, and then you're going to gently bring the water to a simmer until all of the agar has been dissolved and you see it start to thicken. Then we can add the blended cashew mixture to it, whisk it again really well, and then cook it for about 5 minutes over very low heat. Next, we're going to pour it into a parchment-lined mold. It can be any container, any shape that you like. I like to use a rectangular one because I think it really makes it look like a block of cheese. But ultimately, we are going to be slicing this to make grilled cheese sandwiches, so it doesn't really matter. Tap it on the counter a few times to get all the air bubbles out, and then we're going to put the container into the refrigerator for about an hour to allow it to set up. Once it's all solid, then you can remove it from the mold by tapping on the container, and it will release fairly easily onto a cutting board. Then you want to remove that parchment paper, and now it's ready to slice. I'm going to slice it into nice thin pieces, almost 1/8 of an inch thick, to make the grilled cheese sandwich. Next, we're going to gently heat a pan over low heat, and we're going to put down 2 slices of bread, and then you're going to lay slices of cheese onto one of the bread slices. And then I'm going to cover it so that we trap the heat and help the cheese to get melty. And next I'm going to add some sandwich fillings to it. I'm going to be doing tomato and basil, but you could do anything that you prefer for yourself. And then I'm going to remove that sandwich and microwave it for about 20 to 30 seconds. And when it comes out, it should be nice and melty. Microwaving it just really helps to finish off the sandwich and to help the cheese get that final gooey texture that you're looking for in a grilled cheese. Thank you so much for watching. I've really enjoyed sharing this recipe with you, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.